Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Bede. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 sure ways you can make millions online this year. These are the proven ways a lot of the people I know have used to make money online, and I'm here to break everything down. So make sure to keep watching in order not to miss any step or information. But before that, consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell icon so you could be the first to know when I upload new helpful videos for your online business success. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video so more people can find it and be empowered by it. So with that said, let's get right into it. Alright guys, welcome back. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be showing you how to make millions online. 5 sure ways to do so. 5 sure ways to make millions online this year. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. But before that, okay, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, if this is the type of video that you would like to see from time to time, then this is the channel to be on. So subscribe to this channel, click the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new helpful videos for your online business success, because I'll be releasing more videos, like I think every 2 days, more videos coming your way, teaching you how to make money online, showing you things that I've tried, things that I have practically done, and it worked for me. So I'm just going to come here, show you how I did it, and of course also showing you how to do a lot of things like WordPress website related stuff, how to build stuff, because I'm a WordPress expert. I'm also a search engine optimization expert. So if all of these I can be bringing to you to show you how to do all of this to help you leverage on the opportunities online. Okay, so let's jump right in. Number one, all right, number one sure ways you can make money online is local dropshipping. Of course, I did a video about local dropshipping, how my wife makes about 300,000 naira every month doing local dropshipping. I'll put the link right up here for you to go check out the video. It explains the process, it explains the steps she took, and I also did another video how I made $1 million naira, more than $1 million naira, using 10,000 naira for local dropshipping. So local dropshipping is one sure way you can make millions online this year. All right, so what is local dropshipping? Is you going to the market, local market here in Nigeria, looking for hot selling products. And when you get this hot selling product, they are not expensive products, but they are products that has value, that will add some kind of make life easy for the people going to buy them. It could be kitchen utensils, it could be for home, it could be home improvement items, it could be car, it could be phone accessories, it could just be something that makes life easy, that adds value to the people that are buying it. So, and they're not expensive, something within the range of 1,000 and 5,000, not more than that. Okay, you can do more, but I tell you, it will be slow to sell. But when you have something that people can easily just bring out the money and buy, and then it adds value to them, you would sell faster, because we're talking about the rates of selling and also the sure way you can make money online this year. So local dropshipping is one of it. Look for a hot selling product in the local market, meet a supplier, and then you start drop shipping from the supplier directly, because they're going to give you at a wholesale rate. It's not a retail rate, so you're going to be selling at a retail rate, but of course online. All right, so people are going to place order and you would start selling. So if you're yet to watch this video, go watch it right here, and also other videos that I did about how I made $1 million naira, more than that, using 10,000 naira. All right, this is a video that you need to watch. It explains the process, it explains the step that I took, critical steps that I took to make this happen for myself. So local dropshipping would definitely make you definitely make you millions per month this year. So it's something that if you want to keep making millions every month, then local dropshipping is one of it. And then if you utilize the methods, the strategies that I have enshrined, that I've actually made reviewed in the videos that I did, then it will do you a lot of good. You can go to the description box and find the videos. I'll find a way to put it in the description box so it makes it easy for you to go there, click it, and then you can watch the videos that relates to drop shipping. All right, so let's move on to the number 2 as affiliate marketing. I can't scream this enough, because affiliate marketing is what is constantly paying me. I'm on Share Network. Okay, so let me show you this share is sale. I'm on it. All right, so it's where you would be able to sign up to a lot of products and services out there. They are mostly online products that you can sign up to, and then you'll be able to make, as people sign up, because I did a video about this, how you can make up to $10 per sign up. So it's basically on Share a Sale and some other affiliate marketing platforms. All right, but on Share a Sale, I experienced where when you are on certain platforms, all right, people, even without them buying the stuff, like signing up with money, they are trying out those services. You're making money. You can make up to $10 just by people signing up and saying, okay, I want to sign up for their trial. So they are not paying. You know what trial is? You know, they are trying it out for a period of time, and they can cancel it within that, you know, before they start billing them. All right, so before all of this happens, as they have signed up for a trial, you have made your money. All right, so Share a Sale is a platform you should be on, and you'll be able to make that happen for yourself. So another one is Warrior Plus. I'm sure a lot of you out there know Warrior Plus. So this, I'm just showing you platforms. I'm going to show you just two platforms, Warrior Plus and this Share a Sale. These are affiliate marketing platforms that you can leverage, and then you start making money. All right, making money using affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is actually a system where you get paid commission for marketing products, for marketing platforms, for marketing things. All right, so when people buy those things, when people sign up or make a purchase of those things that you're marketing, you're gonna get a commission for that. So a lot of people have been, because of course you're gonna make money in dollars. I'm telling you, in dollars. So just imagine you making $2,000. That's close to $1 million in Nigeria, or even $1 million naira in Nigeria. So it's easy for people to make $1,000, $2,000 with affiliate marketing every month. I can tell you that. So affiliate marketing is definitely one of the sure ways you can make money online this year. So if you want to get a link to Share a Sale, go to the description box. You'll see the link right there, and then you get started on Share a Sale. Also Warrior Plus, the link is in the description. Go there, you'll be able to see it, click it, and get started today. All right guys, if you like this video already, go ahead and like it. Just click the like button. It's not enough to like it in your mind. Like it, click the like button so more people will get to see it. You know, YouTube would send it and suggest it to more people, and that's how it's going to go viral. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You know, subscribe, and then don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you would get notifications of future videos that I'm going to make. All right, thank you. So the next one is web design drop servicing. Web design drop servicing is the number 3 ways that you can make money online. I did a video on drop servicing, and I'm going to link it up right here and also in the description box, so you can go there and watch this video. It explains in detail how to start a drop servicing business, and also did another video how you can get your first drop servicing clients. I'll put it up right here and in the description box, so go there and click on it and get started. So it explains it. I'm not going to talk much about drop servicing because it's just like drop shipping, but for drop shipping you're shipping products. All right, now drop servicing, you're shipping services. So you're not shipping anyway, but we're talking about services. So you are like a middle person, you're not doing it. Let's take an example, website design. All right, so let's say you want to drop service website design. All right, so all you need to do is advertise it on the different platforms that you want to advertise. Make sure you get somebody who's interested in website design and say, okay, I want you to help me build website design. So all you need to do is go to somebody that knows how to build website design. The person builds it. All right, you pay the person. Of course, the person is going to charge you lesser than you would get from the client. All right, let's say the client 100,000, or let's say 200,000, and you give all this other person 70,000, 80,000 to develop the website. Okay, once the website is done, you're pocketing 120,000. So that's what drop servicing is. So you can imagine the number of services that you can get in a month and making so much money. So drop servicing is definitely one of them. And I also did a video on how to drop service on Fiverr, so go check it out. I'll put the link in the description as well. So there's so much material for you. There's so much video tutorials that will teach you a whole lot of things I've already done already. So go to my catalog, go to my video, that's my channel page, and then you see loads of videos that will be helpful for you on how you can make money online. So number 3 is website drop servicing. All right, so let's move on to the number 4. Number 4 is crypto trading. All right, for those who don't know much about crypto trading, of course, you know what it is: cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, trading it online. All right, there are platforms that I would recommend. Bybit is one of them. You can see right here. Bybit is one. Is a next level trading. We've made it easier to buy, sell, trade, and earn with cryptocurrency. So yeah, so this is one method you can sign up with, and then you'll be able to trade. So it all depends on markets, market demand and supply. So basically, crypto trading is for you to buy cryptocurrencies and then you sell at a particular time to make profit. All right, so when you see that it has gone up or gone down depending on demand and supply, you'll be able to make profit selling cryptocurrency. Recently it dropped like it was a huge drop. I'm talking about some month, was it a month ago, even some weeks ago, and before you know it, under 48 hours it picked up again, like at a massive range. So lots of people made millions from that drop and rise of it within that time frame. So crypto trading is definitely one of the sure ways you can make money online this year. All right, the next platform that I would recommend for crypto trading is eToro. I'll leave the link in the description, so don't worry, the link is in the description. Go there, click it, and get on this platform. There are several other crypto trading platforms, KuCoin, there are several, but I'm going to recommend these two for now. All right, so there are several, you can Google them yourself, but I recommend these two because I currently use them to trade crypto. So I'm telling you what I'm doing currently, not what people told me. All right, everything I'm showing you right here, things that I've had experience doing, and that's because whatever I do and it works for me, I come here to share it with you and tell you, hey, this is working, go try it. Okay guys, now that is the number 4 way you can make cool money, millions online this year, working online this year. Number 5 is information marketing, digital product creation. So what I mean is, for example, you have some kind of skill, all right, you're a website designer, or you are a logo designer, graphics designer, or you know how to make video content, or you know how to make film. So you want to teach people how to make good short stories, all right? Or maybe you're a script writer, you want to show people how you do your stuff. Now you can condense this skill, this information that you have that is so valuable, you've kept it inside of you, you can condense it into an ebook or a video course, and then you sell online. I tell you, a lot of people have made money. I know people who have made 3 million in a month selling video courses, selling ebooks, because one thing about ebook is that they keep selling, just like video courses, they just keep selling every month. It's not something you sell and say, okay, you've run out of it. You don't run out of stock. It's an ebook, it's online, people just go there and buy it. So if you know about something, maybe how to make organic soap, how to make organic cream, how to processes to do things, all right, that you can share with other people, why are you keeping this information? That money is that information you have or that skill you have is a gold mine. It's something you can trade. It's something you can condense into an ebook or a video course, audio course, and start selling, all right, online. So this is one of the ways you can make money online, make millions online this year. I tell you, I kid you not, because this I have an ebook online. So I keep telling you, this is not about saying what I hear. It's about what I've done. I have an ebook and I have a video course, of course, about how to build. I'm actually working on one already, how to develop a YouTube channel, how to build a YouTube channel to get your first 1,000 subscribers within just 1 month. It's very possible. It's something that I've tried, and I'm going to release that video course very soon for people to buy, all right? Because we have loads of people out there who want to know how to get 1K subscribers on YouTube, because you know that YouTube, one of the criteria to be monetized on YouTube is for you to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, all right, within the space of 1 year. So it's quite hard for a lot of people to hit a 1,000 subscriber. I know some people who have stayed like a year and they are yet to get to that 1,000. So there's a strategy, there's a method. I'm not talking about buying subscribers. I'm not talking about paying people to go subscribe to you. I'm talking about organic subscribers. So I have a video course that will teach you how I did it, how it's possible for me to make 1,000 subscribers just in 1 month. Yes, just in 1 month, not 4,000 watch hours. I can tell you strategies on how to get that, but how to get 1,000 subscribers in one month, within a month, organic 1,000 subscribers. All right, so I'm doing a video course on that. I'm going to share it with you guys very soon, all right, and how to go get that video course. So This number 5 is one of the ways you can make millions online this year, and you just keep making money. Information marketing, digital products creation. What is that information? What is that unique skill that you have that you can sell? That's a gold mine. That is a gold mine right there. So go and condense it into, just make an ebook out of it or a video course, and then you start selling it online. Okay, so guys, there you have it. 5 sure ways you can make money online. 5 sure ways you can make millions. I'm not just talking about money now. Millions online. There are ways you can make passive income, things, money to just get by. 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, from time to time. But I'm talking about millions. If you want to make real serious money, now these are the 5 ways you can do that. Number 1, local dropshipping. Number 2, affiliate marketing. Number 3 is design drop servicing, while number 4 is crypto trading. All right, number 5 is information marketing, digital content creation. All right guys, there you have it. 5 sure ways you can make money online. You can make millions online this year and many years to come. All right guys, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead right now and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos for your online business success. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Like it. Don't just like it in your heart, like it. Give it a like right now. Do that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.